Women's Premier League 2026 in the final match. Two finalists Delhi Capitals Women vs Royal Challengers Bangalore Women. Match played at BCA Stadium, Kotambi, Bhadodara. Royal Challengers Bangalore Women won the toss, elected to field first. Delhi Capitals Women 20 overs 203 runs lost by 4 wickets. Jemima Rodriguez is the highest scorer, 57 runs, 37 balls. Then Royal Challengers Bangalore Women best bowling spell Lauren Bell, 4 overs, no maiden, 19 runs, no wicket taken. Royal Challengers Bangalore Women 19.4 overs, 204 runs lost by 4 wickets. Simriti Mandana is the highest scorer, 87 runs, 41 balls. Then Delhi Capitals Women best bowling spell Senili Henry, 4 overs, no maiden, 34 runs, 2 wickets taken. Royal Challengers Bangalore Women won by 6 wickets in this match. Player of the match Simriti Mandana, player of the series Sophia Devine. Congratulations Royal Challengers Bangalore Women, winner of the Premier League 2026.